Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, getting ready to do a quick experiment, so thought I'd do a quick video. This is an old Marx 666, been up on the shelf for probably 2 years. As you see, it's in less than perfect condition, no great amount of damage, but it's been stored a long time. Anyway, I just got the smoker repaired, or the smoke generator. I have a epoxy lens in it. So I just wanted to take this around and see if this is going to smoke, and if so, how well. So an old Marx 666, like I said, the thing's been up on the shelf for probably 2 years. Let's see what happens. So I've got it on a Lionel Consist, about 16, 18 cars, something like that. Oh, it's starting to smoke. Wow, it's really starting to smoke. Now that is surprising. This thing is really smoking. I don't know how well it's going to show up on the video, but this thing is puffing some smoke for sure. Wow, that's quite amazing. That's 4 drops of mineral oil, pulling, like I said, I think it's 16 cars. Now that's a smoke generator that is generating smoke, no doubt about that. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video to document the experiment. Oh man, this thing is just puking smoke. As you can see. Now I can only run this thing for a couple minutes in here, so it's going to be a short video. I just wanted to do a quick video to see if this is actually going to smoke, and as you can see, it is not just smoking, it is really smoking. Like I said, that's 4 drops of mineral oil. This thing has not been run in months, years, very likely. It's been on the shelf for quite a while. I have not run this thing. I can't remember the last time I ran it. But a smoke generator that is generating smoke, no doubt. Anyway, just want to do a quick video to document the experiment. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.